Yes, please. Can't say no to that. I'm about to meet the Frenchies at the gas station in Selfoss, Kevin and Clément, and apparently there's another car coming today. I'm pretty excited. We're gonna go to Landmannløgge, and I mean, we're gonna try. I don't know if we're gonna make it there, because around this time usually the highlands are already very snowy, so it might be a challenge, but I think that's the whole fun part about it. So I can see the sun slowly like bringing some light behind the clouds, but it's still kind of dark. This is the boring part. It's like an hour drive until we finally hit the Jeep roads where the fun starts. Right, we made it to the Highlands Center. It's the last stop before we get on the Jeep roads into the middle of nowhere. This is the last gas station. Now the fun starts, because we got some snow already, but we're gonna get into way more snow. Feeling ready for this?
I am. Now, yes.
Wait, you got some old school boots over here. Those are the right boots. Those are
yeah, it's quite okay, you know.
I mean, like
old school rubber boots.
Or oh, nice. We're all like different styles here. No, he's got the perfect shoes.
He's ready for it.
I didn't bring the proper shoes for this mission.
So on today's program is trying to make it to
Landmannløgge.
Not sure if it's gonna work, but we're pretty well equipped. We have loads of people with us, and we have 3 shovels. So I think we're fine. You know, that's all you need. Shovels and people to dig.
So like, this day like seems like gonna be so short already. I don't want to waste a minute of it.
What are you going for?
12 and a half. That should be fine for now.
It's gonna do it.
Yeah.
I have to go first?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I got some radio so we can communicate together. Stay in touch.
So as you can see, we have a bunch of different photographers with us on this trip. Some shoot modern cameras, others shoot analog cameras. What is she doing? This is art.
It takes suffer, gives it more value, you know.
You need to suffer for the art.
Well, I guess it's gonna be tricky, more than expected, but I don't think we will go too far today.
We can reach the canyon.
We'll see. We'll see
can
where
try.
we get.
Yeah.
Is he stuck?
Yeah, it's just going really slow, man. Sand it like you mean it.
Yeah. There he goes. We hit the real snow now. We all wish we had bigger tires, but we're doing our best to get through. And if we get stuck at some point, if it gets too crazy, then we'll have to call it. But until now, it's been a lot of fun. Okay, maybe I sent it a little too much. Like, didn't see that coming. It was a big pile of snow. That's nice and stuck. Fun. This is why we do it, right?
Exactly.
I thought I was gonna retire from this shit.
Tell me when the tension is on. I'm stuck there myself.
Didn't look that bad, but yeah, now the 2 cars are stuck. But we got a 3rd car, you know, and still a lot of shovels and a lot of people. Let's see if this works.
Yeah.
So what's the plan now? Are we
So we are obviously going to try to go further.
okay? We're gonna try.
I'm gonna try that.
Could this be the end of our adventure? Could this be it? I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a mountain of snow here. So this here, right in front of the course, and there's nothing behind this mountain, but the mountain is in our way. The boys are checking if it's worth shoveling this mountain out of our way, but might have to call it. Do you still feel like shoveling this wall?
Well, it's gonna take some time, I guess. I don't know.
I think we should build a huge snowman.
Quick visit to Howie-Foss on the way back. The light right now is just like epic, but it's only gonna last for like 5 seconds. And then the only downside is the wind. I don't even know if you can hear me. Like, the wind is terrible.